wanted a woo in the wild. Hello everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's what vloggers do in December. They vlog every day. I'm gonna attempt to do it. Normally they start on December 1st or even in November. I decided to wait until December 12th just because it's my first time doing this. I wanted to go easy the first time. So, Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you enjoy. I thought we'd kick it off at the Magic Kingdom. A little birdie told me, maybe Santa Claus, I can't remember who, that Splash Mountain would be closing January 23rd of 2023, which I've never even been on Splash Mountain, so I figured it's time for me to go on Splash Mountain for the first time and the last time. And then maybe, depending on the crowds and the park, we'll get on to other rides because I'm still on that mission to do more roller coasters, so by the time I get to Tron, I'll be able to do Tron because I've only ridden one roller coaster. That was Barnstormer, so join me. I got held up because of the cavalcade. It blocked us off for a good 3 minutes, whatever, but it caused the crowd to really congest. It's like spring break all over again. What the heck? Well, there we go. Never been on this ride.
What feel about rabbits leaving home?
Second lift.
How do you do? How do you do? Say it when you mean. How do you do? With everyone to be pretty good shows you along. What goes up is so come down. Upstairs and baby fun. How do you do? Sing about it then. Down in the line of the sun, I'm gonna get you. I'll get it on you. Don't have more trouble, what we say.
The rabbit being chased by Freya Fox and Freya Bear, as usual. Look yonder, there goes the rabbit being chased by Freya Fox and Freya
Where is this secret? What's in place? Where is it now?
Everybody's got a laughing face. I like the place to go home.
To declare, family, that my laughing place doesn't gonna give you life. Let's talk this over.
I got soaked. I was not expecting that. So much for straightening my hair. I just got wet again anyways, but for the first and last time for experiencing Splash Mountain, I'm so glad I finally did it. It's not like I didn't want to do it sooner, but the wait times, the crowds, the park has been so nuts. And right now, everything's kind of low because of the Christmas, Mickey and Minnie Christmas bash that's going on. So people don't really want to come in for half a day. I'm taking advantage of that. Got on Splash Mountain in half an hour. Let's go look at our photo. So there we are. Let's get it on our magic band if we can. Nice. That's a good one. Oh, they've got some press penny collectibles. And it looks like they have Briar Rabbit, Splash Mountains, Briar Fox. Ooh. That's one. There goes two. There goes three. There goes four. There goes five. There goes six. Seven. Number 8. There are pennies. Oh, they're warm. Here's all my coins I got. Splash Mountain in the background. This is gonna change forever. They're already starting to change the grass. It used to be a lot duller, I feel. I don't know if that's just me. I'll be curious to see what this is gonna look like when they're all done with it. I will go on it again to see the difference, but that was a cool first ride. If I can get back to right, not cute. If I can get back to Splash Mountain before it closes, I'm definitely gonna do it. Let's wait. There's gonna be one more here in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, right on cue. I love it. Yeah, there's some Splash Mountain Briar Fox souvenir memorabilia. It is gone forever after January, so we'll see. We'll see if these will gain value. I doubt it. I just passed Adam the Woo again. He's such a fast walker. Look, he's down. Ready to go. There he is. Oh, there goes Tigger. T-I-double-G-R. His neon. He's neon now. He never used to be a neon. I spotted a woo in the wild. That's funny. Let's get some popcorn, actually. That sounds good to me. I thought I was gonna eat out, but let's get some popcorn. I'm hungry. Here's the new popcorn buckets. Those are cool. There's Adam the Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna make my way out of the park. I figured first good day for Vlogmas. Vlogmas number 1. So some of these videos might get up a little late. Again, Adam the Woo was back there. Keep crossing paths with that guy. In fact, yesterday at work, I saw him. So truly, I don't know. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that. As I said, I am about to leave the park. There's the castle. It looks so pretty. Oh, my phone doesn't. There we go. So I really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please subscribe, like. It helps keep you in the loop of what I'm doing next. And I will see you all later. Bye. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. The Walter E. Disney train. Oh my god. When do we get to ride it? I'm excited for that. But I got my popcorn. I'm making my way out. And we're taking the monorail.